How to fix muted video on TikTok. So if I open the TikTok app on my device and head over to my profile, you can see that this video does not have sound, and at the bottom it says sound removed due to copyright restrictions. So this might happen to you when you post a video on TikTok or when you watch someone's video, and that is because TikTok has a system that detects copyrighted songs in video. So it automatically mutes the video to prevent copyright infringement. So if your video has been posted and it's muted in this way, I'm going to show you a way on how you can fix that. So if you tap open this video, at the bottom you can find replace sound option, which is in the red. Tap on that option. So over here you can get more detailed description on why your sound was muted. So it says a copyright claim was made on this sound. So over here you can find the violation reasons, which is copyright claim. So the way on how you can fix this is to change the sound of the video. So you have to change the original sound and add some other sound which does not have any copyright issues. So for that you can directly do it from here. Tap on change sound, and from here you can have the option to add any songs which is available on TikTok. So those are original songs and it's not going to have any copyright issues, so you can edit that song into this video. Now another thing that you can do, if not this, is to save this original video. So if you already have this video saved on your device, you don't actually have to do this. But if you don't, tap on save video. And once you have done that, you can use any other video editing app to remove the original sound and add another song which does not have any copyright issues. So one app that I can recommend is CapCut. What CapCut does is it also checks the copyright. So once you have edited your video, it's going to check and give you an end result if that video would be suited for TikTok or not. So you can edit the video with a new sound and then post it on TikTok. And that is how you can fix the muted video on TikTok. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.